Good day. It is Tuesday, November 20th, 2018. Thank you for coming by and watching this YouTube video today. As you may know, on Sunday we put up a YouTube video entitled Market Setting Up the Trade of the Decade, and at the time we made that video, we talked about the fact that the trade X, as we called it, would be initiated in the days ahead this week. It has, and we have acted on that signal. We have begun to go very short, very aggressively in this market. Currently, the markets are down about 450 points. They've been down as much as 600 points earlier today. And today we wanted to just kind of emphasize one more time that indeed this is the real deal. This is a genuine bear market. You're looking inside of our intraday report right now, in which we have made trades. We have increased our position early today. We took some profits heading into the holidays, but we are very aggressively short the market. But when we say this is the real deal, we mean this is a genuine bear market. Here are a number of indicators that show that. This is the monthly 7 Sentinels, which entered into a sell, a primary trend sell in February of 2018. And since then, we have been and remain and will be for a very long time in a bear market. We are just in the very early beginnings of that major bear market. Here is the weekly 7 Sentinels showing the same thing. We are in sell mode for the primary trend. We are in the very early stages of a primary bear market. Here is a chart of the New York Stock Exchange Composite Index going back 25 years, and it's easy to see the big cycles: bull market, bear market, bull market, bear market, bull market, bear market, bull market, and we now have entered a new bear market. What tells us we've entered a new bear market specifically is that the monthly MACD has turned down and is down. Here's a blow up of that showing the sell signal on the monthly MACD. And most important, from our perspective, is that the 13-month moving average of price is now moving down. It is declining after having been up for the last several years, since 2015 when it snapped out of that mini bear. It is now declining again. This is a bear market. When price is below a declining 13-month moving average, that is the definitive measure that tells us you are in a true bear market, and we are, of course, again, to reiterate, in the very early stages of that major bear market. In the shorter term, we are in a 7 Sentinels short-term sell signal. That defines the line of least resistance as down, which means that our trading positions now should be short. Any positions we hold should be short the market, and indeed they are. And now looking at even the very short-term 10-minute 7 Sentinels, they remain down as well. So all time frames are down. What we wanted to emphasize, though, with this YouTube video, folks, is that this is the real deal. So thank you for viewing this. If you want to come by the Seven Sentinels website, there's a number of free articles there that explain how we got here in the first place in 2017, 2018. Articles like Rainmaker that explain all the top signals in 2017. Red Sky in the Morning that talks about the warnings that we've had increasingly over the last year and a half, 2 years. When Worlds Collide, which talks about when a raging bull market runs squarely into a bear market, which occurred in 2017-18, just like in the years 1999 and 2000. And there's an article here from last week that you may want to read. Meet the New Boss, Same as the Old Boss. Talks about the facts that patterns repeat over and over and over. This pattern is repeating. It's 2000 all over again, and the result will be the same. So those articles should be helpful to serious traders. There's a link here called Limited Time Trial. Click on that, and for $9.95 you can have a 7-day trial of Seven Sentinels, and you can see all of our signals and trades and everything that we do here. So thank you very much for viewing this YouTube video with us today, and we wish you great trading.